Hi guys, welcome to this session of the tutorial. At this point we are going to be learning the basics of CapCut app. So this is the CapCut app right here. This is the app right here. So we are going to be learning the basics of CapCut. So now we are going to click on CapCut. So this is how it looks. If you don't have the app on your phone now, all you need to do is to go to Play Store. This is Play Store. This is Play Store here. Go to Play Store. Go to Play Store. This is Play Store here. And then when you enter Play Store, you type CapCut. Then search. So this is the app. This is the app here. CapCut. This is it. So I have the app on my phone already. That is why it is showing this update here. So I have it already. If you don't have it yet, what they will write in this place is going to be something like this. It's going to be something like this install. That is what you will see. That is what you see here. So this is the app, CapCut app. So when you have installed it, you are going to have something like this on your phone. So when you open the CapCut app, you are going to see it. The interface is like this. So now we are going to click on it, this new project, and this is how the app is going to look like. Now you can import maybe a video file or a photo file. So if you want to import a video file, you can click this. You can see that this one is highlighted. This color, this one is on this. Or if you click on photo, here, it is going to be, if you click photo here, it is photos that will load. So now we are going to import a video file into the project, into the new project that they asked us to create. Now we are going to click on this, and then it will click on add. Now it has been imported into our timeline. Now this is the timeline. So this is timeline. It is highlighted. This is timeline. You can see it. So from here, from the beginning here to the end here, like this, that is the timeline. To the end, that is the timeline. Not that plus icon, no. I'm just trying to illustrate. So from the beginning of this circle down to the end, that is where the timeline is. So the timeline is going all the way to the end here. This is the end of the timeline. This is the end of the timeline here. This is the end of it. Now if the video that you want to create, if it is for TikTok, this is the aspect ratio of TikTok. So let me show you something. This thing right here, this ratio here. Now if you want to create a video for TikTok, you are going to, when you click on this ratio here, you are going to see something like this. You are going to see all these features here. This one is fit. This one is, you can see TikTok icon there, so it's going to be for TikTok. This one is for Instagram post. This one is for YouTube. If you are going to create a video for YouTube, this is what you do. You are going to use, that is the standard ratio of YouTube. This one is also YouTube, but it is not normally used. It is 16:9 that is normally used for YouTube videos. Now, assuming it is YouTube video that we want to create, but this file that we imported into our timeline is 9:16, which is a TikTok aspect ratio. We are going to click on this 16:9, which is YouTube. We are going to click here, which is 16:9. So when you click on it like this, the screen here, the format of the screen here will change. The format of the screen here will change. Can you see? It has changed. The format of the screen has changed. It goes like this, like this, like this, like this. Instead of going long down here, like this, like this, like this. So you can see the difference now. So that is that. Now, for example, the video we are going to create now, in this case, is going to be for YouTube. So we are going to be using this aspect ratio of 16:9. There are other formats here, but they are not really common like that. Most video creators, they either use Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, most especially, and Instagram. So, and these are the ones they normally use. This. So we are going to use 16:9. Now, since the aspect ratio is 16:9, now I want to click on this icon. This icon here, I'm going to click on it. That check mark icon, I'm going to click on it, and then now, if you highlight, you can use your two hands. See my hand? You can see this dot that is appearing on the screen, and there's another dot here. So one of my finger is here, another of my finger is here. You can bring them together. It will like squeeze down the length of the timeline. It's not that it's going to cut it, but it will compress it. So if you want to compress the timeline so that you move it faster from the end to the beginning, that is what you do. Now, if it is very wide, you cannot move it at once from one end to the end if it is too wide. But if you compress it very well, you will be able to move it fast. So that is that. Now, let me show you some of the features, the functions of some of these features. Now, this one right here, this feature right here, that icon right there, is to enlarge the screen, like to make it full. For example, now let me click on it. If I click on it, it has taken all this icon away. It's just remaining the screen. If I click on this one now, if I click on this one now, it will compress the screen. It will like squeeze it down so that other things will appear. If I click on it now, let me click on it. You can see. So that is that. Now, all this button here, all these things that you see here, they have their functions, and during our editing classes, we are going to be learning their functions. Like this one is to edit. This is audio. If you want to get an audio file, this is text, this is overlay, this is edit, this is audio, this is text, this is overlay, this is effects, and this is ratio, this is filter, this is adjust, this is stickers, and then canvas. So those are the functions. Now if you click on this, if you highlight this timeline now, you can see other things will come up. Other things will come up. If you highlight this timeline now, other things will come up. All this icon will come up. They will come up. There are other ones there. So if you want to work on the timeline, you are going to click on it so that it will be highlighted. Then all these features will now come up. Then you know which of them to use depending on what you want to do. So that is how it works. Now, so these are some of the when you highlight the time frame, the timeline, these are the things that will come up. Now we are going to go in the next video. We don't want the videos to be long too much. This is 11 minutes already, so we don't want the video to be long. So we are going to cut this video now. Then we go to explaining some of these features. We're going to explain them one by one, the ones that are most important in our classes. So we're going to be explaining them one by one. So thank you. Stay tuned.